Want to save a copy of your ChatGPT conversations and account data? ChatGPT lets you export your data so you can keep a backup of your chats and other account information. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export ChatGPT chats in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to your ChatGPT account and open the profile menu. Then select Settings to access your account and data controls. The exact layout may look slightly different depending on your device or app version. Next, select Data Controls from the Settings menu. This section includes options for managing your ChatGPT data and privacy preferences. This is where you'll find the option to request an export of your ChatGPT data. Under Export Data, click Export. ChatGPT will ask you to confirm that you want to request a copy of your data. The export includes more than just individual chats, so make sure you're ready to download your account data. Review the information on the confirmation screen, then click Confirm Export. ChatGPT will begin preparing your data. The export isn't necessarily available instantly, so give it some time to process. Once your export is ready, you'll receive an email with instructions and a download link. Open the email and download the exported data to your computer. Take a moment to save the downloaded file somewhere secure so you can find it later. Your exported data may contain personal information and conversation history, so store the downloaded file securely and avoid sharing it publicly. So you've successfully learned how to export your ChatGPT chats, and that's how to export ChatGPT chats. By requesting a data export, you can keep a backup of your ChatGPT conversations and other account information for your records. It's a simple way to keep your data available outside of ChatGPT when you need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.